Welcome to my channel Simple Data Science. Today we are going to talk about one of the important topics nowadays, that is agentic AI and AI agents. So we will go through that, what are the differences and the future of the autonomous intelligence. So what is the agentic AI? So agentic AI refers to a system that should be this word should be remembered. It refers to a system capable of perceiving, reasoning, and taking actions to receive a specific goals with a degree of the autonomy. So these agents can learn from interaction and adopt their strategies over the time. So one thing we need to remember that whenever we are saying that agentic AI, that refers to a systems or a system where we making it more capable to take actions for achieving a specific goals. Okay, so what are AI agents? So as we know that AI agents are the autonomous entities that perceive their environment to make decisions and perform action to achieve a specific goal. So the key components are like perception, reasoning, and action. These are the three critical components of AI agents. So, what are the key characteristics of AI agents? See, as we know that is the involvement of the autonomy, operate without a consistent human input. Although initially it needs a human input, but afterwards it's do all the stuff automatically. So the second is the perception that understand the environment via sensors. The third is like reasoning, make decision based on the goals. And the it's try to learn over the time, and it's try to improve it from the feedback. So the fifth one is like there's interaction, communicate with the humans and the other agents. So these are the key characteristics of the AI. Okay, so in the next slide we are trying to discuss about the types of the AI agents. The first one is like simple reflex. The second is the model-based reflex. The third is like goal-based agents. The fourth one is utility-based agents. And the fifth one is the learning agents. So these are the key types of AI agents. Okay, what are the famous frameworks of nowadays for agentic AI frameworks? So the first one is the lane chain and the lane graphs. Especially the lane graphs are so famous, and a lot of agents are made through this framework. The second is the auto GPT, that is the autonomous goals execution. The third is like the baby AGI for task management with the memory loop. And this framework is also famous as well, the Crew AI collaborate with the multi-agent workflows. So what are the application? Application is like, we can use for a virtual assistant like Siri and Alexa, the autonomous vehicles, the financial advisors, the medical diagnostic tools, customer support chatbots. So these are the applications, although this is not limited to these because the world is now full of the AI agents trying to the next one is the what are the challenges of the agentic AI. So the challenges could be the ethical and the safety concerns are there, and the next could be the interpretability and the transparency. Next would be the robustness to the unexpected situations. Scalability issues are there, because if you are trying to connect it with the multiple tools or multiple agents, so there is a scalability issues and compatibility issues as well. This last one is the coordination among the multiple agents. That's what I am talking about. So So this slide is quite important. That is the agentic AI versus traditional AI. So what are the key differences? The first we will go for operations. For operations, the agentic AI seems to be proactive. That is, acts independently. And for traditional AI, that is reactive. It needs to respond to the input. What you are giving as an input or a prompt, it will respond it. For decision making, it's just like self-directed goal optimization. This is the most important. This is the directed goal optimization feature out there, because it not need to be kind of direction once you have set it out. It do it by itself, or it will recorrect it according to the directed goals. For traditional AI, that is predefine the rules and models. For learning are concerned, dynamic and adaptation and strategical shifts are there. So it's mainly learn from this pattern recognition. And execution is the multi-step autonomous actions are there. It's like a multi-step and automation actions. This is the single task they are doing, for instruction based. So this is the quite a journal difference between the agentic AI versus traditional AI. So thank you so much once again for listening out, and do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.